Ex2L.
Good morning! In our crazy household, we got a princess and a superhero. And a cute little baby who just got a fresh shower because little homegirl here had a poopy explosion.
Princess.
Princess, superhero.
Yeah, look at my cake.
I'm gonna go ahead to the store and I'm very, very scared. I'm paranoid and I panic. And I need to try and figure out how I can wear my glasses with my mask.
Mom, can you tie it?
Want me to tie it?
I'm making a video.
Be good, okay? For Papa. And don't be, I know, but don't be too loud because Lily's still sleeping, okay? So I'm hoping that Lily can stay sleeping. I expressed milk, or I used my little suction cup thing. So I have 2 ounces ready for her. She's sleeping. She was actually sleeping for a while, so I think she's gonna wake up soon. So I just need to hurry it up. But my dad's on his way to watch the girls because he's at work. And there's a lot of things that we're out of and that I feel like we need more of. So I'm ready. We're gonna go, and I'm paranoid. I'm not bringing my camera because I do not want my camera to get dirty, get any type of coronavirus stuck somewhere in the crevices. So it's staying home. And whether or not I vlog what I got from the store, it's up in the air because I wiped down everything and I cleaned everything, and it's such a process. And having to vlog on top of that is more of a process, and I just want to hurry up and get it cleaned. But I'm very paranoid. So if you guys are still going shopping, how do you guys do it? Because I am scared. And now here on Oahu, it's mandatory to wear a mask everywhere you go. So I do have a mask, but I was gonna wear a mask anyways. Okay, I gotta go. Ari's making a video and she's getting loud. Ari, be careful. Yeah, your sister. I came in my room to grab my wallet, and look, Roomba was shredding up our toilet paper. Like, look at this bathroom. What is happening, Roomba? It's like a little child was in here and made a mess. Now you better clean this mess, Roomba. I don't care how, but you're going to. I think what would be easiest if I just took these masks out. And then maybe it'll be easier for it to clean. Jesus. Are you cleaning it? You better clean all this, Roomba. I am very disappointed in you. You're supposed to clean, not make a mess. Oh, is it cleaning? Oh, okay, it's doing it. Gosh. Yeah, no, get your little ass back in there. Get your ass back in there. Get back in there. You are not coming out. Jeez. So one thing that really made a difference in the hospital when Lily had to stay in the hospital when she was admitted was having a wipe warmer. Like, I felt the difference and she felt the difference. Like, wipes are so cold. But yeah, I'm just refilling everything for my dad. This is running low. She actually fits size 1 diapers now, but we still have a lot of newborn left, so I'm trying to use them all up before I start busting out the size 1s because it still fits her, and we're not going to waste it in this crisis. This whole time we thought we was recording. I showered when I got home, and so far we put away 2 pogs. I know our fridge is kind of full.
Yeah, let's doing it.
My bad. I thought we was recording.
Don't put it in Papa's face. Yeah. This is my little sister. So that I'm the princess. I see it like so. I'm the princess. I can't see her. Yeah, guys. Guys, I'm gonna put the camera right over here. Can you guys see me? I know.
But I mean, these things take time.
Nah.
Yeah.
Guys, What do you suggest? I'm going to.
I'm gonna try the Kylie Jenner top ramen thing that she makes. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm gonna cook it and then I'm gonna taste it and I'm gonna let you guys know. So you mix in the egg. You're supposed to beat the egg, but whatever. And there's still some water in there. Then you cook it all up. So I added in the packet from the noodles, and then I added garlic powder and butter. And you just mix it up until it's done, and then you eat it. Okay, I'm taking too long. I can't mix. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, it smells really, really good. Let me see right here with you guys. Okay, it smells really good. Kind of looks kind of crazy though. It literally just tastes like butter and garlic powder. I wouldn't make it again, in my opinion. I should do a recipe on how I love to make my own ramen. There's a way that I love to make it, and I've been making it like that for a long time. But it's like my own special way of making it, and I feel like I should show you guys because this, I mean, I'll eat it, but I wouldn't make it again. I don't care for it. Is that weird? I don't care for it. So far the 2 ramen noodles that I tried, I have a link below for my cooking playlist that you guys can click on and see my other video that I tried. You know, the elote way. I'm just gonna stick to my way because I don't care for it. Nope, I don't. Decided to make funfetti cupcakes and we were kind of making a mess. Here, you can lick this. I'm done with the little one. Okay, what did I say about standing on that, Ela? You're gonna fall again.
I know.
You know, and you still do them. Ari now takes it upon herself to carry Lily. And she just carried her to me. It's just freaking me out. But I need to put the food in the oven. This is how Erze felt about the noodles. So, we all didn't like it.
Be careful with me.
Erze is so happy right now. Oh my god. My mouth is blue. That's gross. That is nasty. But Erze is FaceTiming her BFF since pretty sure she's not going to go back to school this year or finish off the school year. Her best friend. But it's sad because this upcoming school year they're going to different schools, so they won't be in each other's class anymore, which is really sad for them. But I'm friends with her mom, so it's like we can keep up with taking them out. Like we took them to Chuck E. Cheese before a couple of times, so it's like, you know, we can still meet up with them so they can continue their friendship, because their friendship started when they were 4 years old, and I want to keep it that way forever because it's so cute.
That my family treated me like I'm pretty. They expected nothing from me.
Hello, my little double chinny chin girl. She's doing better, no fever since she came home from the hospital, and I'm so paranoid. I check all the time. Oh, what's the matter? This is from our realtor. Vicky has chickens, so look, the cutest girl in the world. She got her all chicken clothes, or all clothes that have chicks on them. Hey, yo, me chubby chubs. She gained 4 pounds in 1 month. How crazy is that? She's 2 months old on the 26th. Yeah, my love loves. Pretty soon, my fafas. Pretty soon, my fafas. So I'm gonna make kare kare, and I'm following Rose Austin C's. Oh, why is this so blurry? I'm following this video.
Excuse me, Dr. Velo, Alicia ordering thousands of dollars in tests for something that can be cured.
Back, let mommy see your pretty dress. Let me see. Look, she ripped it from putting it on and off because she wears it every single day, and now it looks like she's a belly dancer. A cute little belly dancer. Stand back, let mommy see your pretty dress. They want to see it. They want to see your dress. Show them your pretty dress. She says she can show you because she found her LOL crown. Okay, step back. Doesn't it look like a belly dancer? It's so cute. Big tummy. Like. You're a crazy kid. So I made the kare kare with oxtail and it actually tastes bomb. It doesn't taste that strong of peanut butter because I actually think I put a lot, but it doesn't taste that strong, which is good for me because I don't know, it was kind of freaking me out. I never ate this before. It just smelled so strong, and I know you eat it with like the shrimp paste. We have that. Leaky will definitely eat it with that, but he's gonna take longer to come home than I thought after work, so I'm eating without him because I am hungry and I've been waiting to eat this for like a good 2 hours waiting for him to come home from work, but he's going somewhere else first, so I'm eating without him. This is what my bowl looks like. My hand is hot. You guys are gonna see my messy fridge, but right here is the shrimp paste thingy. Maybe I'll try it with my next bowl, but for this bowl I want it without it. Oh, you like it? The girls really like soup. Leah's going ham with the soup. I'm gonna have to give her more. She's going through the phase of she starts to smile back a little bit, and I love it. Hello, me Lily. Hello, me baby.
Peekaboo.
Hi.
Peekaboo.
She not smiling right now.
Peekaboo.
Hi, my little love. Hi, my little love. And she giggles. She giggles in her sleep. It is the cutest thing ever. I haven't been able to catch it on camera yet, but she giggles in her sleep. Watch out, watch out. Don't bounce her hard. Hi, my love. Maybe that's scaring her, huh? Hey, yo. Watch out. Don't bounce it too hard. Hi, my little baby. Hello, my littlest love. Hi, you see mommy. Hi, Lily.
Get my set.
Hey, watch out. Don't put it so close to her face, Lil.
Get my set, baby.
Her makeup. There, not so close to her face.
Look at my makeup.
Requested these scans to schedule.
End the video when you say subscribe.
Subscribe.
And what else do you say? Do you like the kare kare? And I'm tired. Good night. I'm exhausted.
But I want you to read books too.
Oh, good. Well, you better go clean up that mess. She played it in my room this whole day, so all on the side. Let me show you. It's a whole bunch of her things. Like clothes, toys, everything. Like, what is happening, girlfriend? So I told her she needs to get rid of all of this. Her and Dale's been sleeping in our room since we got the AC. Okay, hurry up. Put everything away. So is this pink one Leah's blanket? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go put it back by Daddy's side. Hurry up. All of this, Ari. This is a mess. Leah's been sleeping on this side. But yeah, good night. I'm tired.
Subscribe.